So what does litigation look like? If you're going to court, either in federal or state court, then you can expect to get really good at waiting. After we file a suit, the first thing that happens is the judge will ask the parties to appear at a hearing, basically just saying, okay, what is this case about? How do we want to schedule these things out? When do we want to take depositions? When do we want to exchange documents? And the parties set up a schedule. The first thing that happens usually is discovery. And discovery means the exchange of information. So we would ask the company about their files on our employee and any other pertinent information. From there, they would certainly ask us, if we represented the employee, to provide any, let's say, evidence that the employee is currently trying to find another job. So we call that evidence of mitigation of damages. So from there, the case continues to roll forward until what we call dispositive motions. So that is your put up or shut up moment in court. It's notable that in civil court, you don't have a right to trial by jury. You have to pass certain standards and be able to prove certain things in your case to get to have a trial. It's not like in a criminal situation where you have that right to a trial before a group of your peers. In employment law and in civil court, you have to earn that right, essentially. So the dispositive motions are usually called motions for summary judgment. And typically, defendants file motions for summary judgment, and the plaintiff employee responds. So essentially, the employer says the employee just does not have enough evidence to grant him the right to have a trial because there's really nothing in dispute. Everything that we say is true. And so they shouldn't be able to get a trial. In response, the employee wants to point out all the areas where there is a dispute of material fact of the employer said X, but really we found documentation of Y. And that's really important to do a very thorough job of that and present it very well to the judge. This is an area in which we have a lot of experience, and it's certainly very important.